I give it to you so like you can smell it. Here, take a smell. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading and this is coming late, but I've been having some computer problems, and finally my husband said that for our anniversary that he was going to get me a new computer. He went ahead and he ordered me the MacBook Pro, and it finally came in and I'm totally in love with it. But I've edited my other videos and you'll see them uploaded. So I'm doing this one late because of that. Now I'm ready to continue on doing videos because I just felt like they were piling up on me and it was just overwhelming. So now I'm back though because I got a good computer to edit with, and thank you to my babe for getting me that for our anniversary. But let's go ahead and get started on this video. It is another BoxyCharm unboxing. Yay! This is for the month of March. I have uploaded January's and February's. I'll link it up here or here, whichever side, or in the description so that you can take a look at it. But this is March's unboxing. If you'll want to see what I got in March's box, go ahead and keep watching. Time to open the box. So I know in February I said that I had no willpower and I saw the items before in the spoilers, but for March I was very proud of myself because I ignored all Instagram posts, all Twitter posts, all Facebook posts, emails and everything from BoxyCharm, so that I would not see what was in here. So everything in here is a complete surprise. I have no idea, and like you just saw, I just slit open the tape so we can get into it. So I'll go ahead and open it. Ooh, I don't even know what the name of this box was. So the name of this box is, and I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong, Lave and Rosé. It looks like it's a French theme. Has the cute little macaroons there and roses. So I'm guessing things are going to be French and rose. Ooh, okay. I've just seen this stuff and it looks beautiful just looking at it. There was no foam in this one this time. Look at it. There's some awesome things in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to pull out this one because this packaging looks so pretty. So this is from Wander Beauty. It is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I don't know if you, there you go. Wander Beauty. And it's got this really like blush rose color. And then the lid is gold. And let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's got a little, ooh, it smells good. It does, it smells like, I give it to you so like you can smell it. Here, take a smell. It does smell like rose, but it also has like a citrusy smell. So I'm not sure. It says it has maximum effort, maximum results, acai fruit extract, and a bunch of other stuff. So I'll read the information in the little thing. Ooh, awesome. Okay, so I'm glad it does say it's formulated without mineral oil, parabens, what does that say? Phthalates, synthetic fragrance, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. The next thing in the box that I see, I'll go with this one. Okay, no, I can't go with that one because it won't come out. I'll go with this one, which I'm totally excited as well, is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. This is excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof metallic handles, sturdy aluminum ferrule secures bristles, and professional quality fibers. So this is from Moda. It says this set is a dynamic duo with two beautiful brushes. So you get a powder brush and a soft glow brush. So the powder brush is obviously for patting translucent powder onto your face to create a flawless finish. And the soft glow sweeps a luminous glow onto the high planes of the face using a highlighter for a lift from within look. So the other one is for a highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So it comes in another clear bag. Oh, these are pretty because they're like a rose color. Oh, nice pink metallic color. Ooh, these are pretty. So here is the powder brush, as you can see here. It is very soft. Ooh, it is very soft and fluffy. I always like the duotone or the ombre, whatever they call this, where it's like a different color here and then it's like white on top. It is very soft, and this is the handle, and it has their logo here, which is really cute. It's got like a little crown. This is Moda, and it's pink. I don't know if this is Mel, and maybe it feels like it. This is cute, and it's got this cute little point at the end. So that's the powder brush, and then it comes with a soft glow. So this is for the highlights. So this one has the brush here, and then it goes to a point there, if you can tell. And again, this one is really soft too, and it's nice that it's so long, because when you're wanting to highlight, you just do. And I like the point so that you can do like areas like this. This is so nice. And again, the handle is the same. It's got the logo right there. And it is the same pink, and it comes to the same point. So this is awesome. I love it. So these are the Moda brushes. I'm going to put them back in the little packaging here. Oh my gosh. Oh, this box is just so awesome already. Okay, I'm going to pull out this one because this is the next easiest thing to be able to pull out. And this is by Oriza Beauty. And I'm thinking it's a lip gloss in the color Rose Glow. So there's the logo there. It looks like it's kind of glittery. I don't know if you can tell with my light, the glare from my light, but it looks kind of glittery. Let me see if I can open it, because it does have a clear little package on the outside that you have to tear open. Peeling this off, peeling this off. I think I got it all. Oh no, there we go. I think I got it all. It's hard to tell because it's clear. Yeah. So there we go. And it does feel kind of light, like the packaging isn't very heavy feeling. So, it does feel light. And there is the doe foot. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. So it's just like a flat little doe foot. I don't know if you can tell there. It's wide, a little bit wide, but it's very flat. Let me test it out here and see. So yeah, just kind of what I thought. It is a gloss. I don't know if you can see there, but it is a gloss. It's kind of like, oh, there we go. A sparkly gloss, very pretty. I'm gonna see if I can put it on here. I don't have any. I can't see. I'm totally putting it on right because I don't have a mirror, but it's probably all off. It's probably all off, but well. It is like a pinkish, but then it's kind of like greenish, and then the little glitter sparkles are like pinks and reds and greens and maybe some blues. Like, I wish I can get it to really, I don't know if you can see it like that. I'm going to do this a few ways to see if you can see it. And I did put it on my lips, and it is a little bit sticky. Not like, it's not a thick texture either. It's thin, but it's just sticky. So I'm thinking it's a lip gloss. Ooh. And you see, I touched it with my fingers, and now I have, I don't know if I'm able to see, but I have glitter all over my hands now. Like, it transfers off. So this means I'm going to have glitter, oh no, all over me now. This, I think, makes a good topper for other lipsticks. Kind of make it glittery, give you a nice good sheen and a sparkle. But the glitter does come off and transfer. So if you're kissing somebody, you're smooching your husband, giving him a kiss on the cheek, the glitter from your lips is going to come off and stick to the fingers or to the skin. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing in the box. So this is the thing I was trying to get out, but I couldn't because of the way the packaging is. But I'm actually really excited to get this. I say I'm actually really excited to get everything, but I am really excited to get everything. This one, the It Cosmetics Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. It says 96% said that their lashes look stretched. 96% said they saw dramatic volume length, and 96% saw plumper looking lashes. 100% saw a fuller lash line. So that's pretty awesome. I guess it's supposed to make your eyelashes look fuller, as you can see there. It shows you some sample pictures of the real results on the top, and then what the eyes look like before. The back says it transforms your lashes. Lash changing power brush wraps every lash from base to tip for super volume, super length, and super elastic stretch. Give your lashes superhero powers in just one coat. Just one coat. The proprietary elastic stretch technology wraps each individual lash in a volume boosting, lengthening, and ultra conditioning super black cape of power and color for your strongest, longest, thickest, most defined lashes. Superhero peptides and proteins, biotin, lash lifting polymers, and collagen take your lashes to new heights. You are a superhero. You do it all. Now your mascara does too. Oh, it's a cute little a cute shape. It has like, it's thin here and goes out like a bell here. It has the It Cosmetics little It logo and then the name Superhero. And then this is the lid. I'm not sure if the lid's supposed to go that way because the bottom is like this, but then the lid on the top falls like this. I don't know if we're supposed to be both or it is supposed to be that way. It's kind of wide like this, and the top has the It logo there. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. And let me see here. Oh, there we go. It's just a straight wand, so you can see, but you can tell the bristles are very like separated apart, where you can tell it's gonna like really scoop your eyelashes. It has a normal like mascara smell, nothing fancy. It is a long wand, a long thin wand, I think. Yeah, and it's nice, and I guess it is in the color super black. Super black. So the last thing I see in the box is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Ooh, it's a face palette. It is very not super heavy, but it's hefty, like weighted, like you can tell it weighs. And it's a Perfector Face Palette in the color medium deep, or I guess the palette is the medium deep. It has the Cover FX logo in the front, and the packaging is just beige. I don't know if it comes across on the camera, but it's like a beige or a cream color. Ooh, that is pretty. So this is it. It's got a mirror on top. Right now it has this plastic on it, so it looks frosted, but the plastic peels off, and then you got your mirror, so that's a good size mirror. And then the actual palette on the bottom is pretty. It's got these cute little designs on the ones on the outside. So here we got the highlighter, which is supposed to be in Heavenly. This right here is Heavenly. And in the middle we have the brightener Sunbeam. Right there, this middle one is Sunbeam. Then we have the highlighter over here, which is in Twilight, so it's got a little bit more pinky. Then we got Majestic Blush here on this side. This middle one here is the finishing powder in Solar. It's a finishing powder. It's kind of dark looking, I guess because it says medium deep, so that is very deep. And then this last one here is the Contour Shadow. This is awesome to have it kind of in a palette. Convenient, easy to go thing. You just close it, pop it in your makeup bag, and you don't have to carry different highlighters, different contours and blushes. You just know you have it right here. So the first thing on the list here is the Cover FX. So that was the palette, the Perfector Face palette. Retails for $45. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. Like I said, travel-friendly. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. The next thing on the list is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This retails for $34, and it says it contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So the next thing on the list is the Moda brushes. Powder and soft glow kit. This retails for $29.99. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. That was the Moda. The next thing on the list, oops, I dropped it, is the Oriza, and it's called an Opaline Top Gloss. So I was right, it would be good to use this as a topper. It says the Opaline Top Gloss from Oriza Beauty is a weightless and waterproof lip topper, adding an extra dimension and shimmer to your lips. Layer over your favorite lip color for an impactful lip look, or wear alone as a subtle gloss. So you can wear it both ways, like I said. This retails for $14.99. And then the last thing on the list here is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And this retails for $24. And it says this: wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic strength technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest, most defined lashes ever. So that was all of the products that were in the box. So let's go ahead and let's total it up and see how much the box retailed for. Came out to, wow, $147.98. So that came out good. I think this came out more than February's box, and February came out more than January's box. So far I feel like the boxes are going up in value. So $147.98 value in the box that I paid $21 a month for. And it's totally worth it to be getting a subscription. For me, I mean, the last 3 boxes that I've gotten have been great. I love all the items that came inside of it. So if you're interested in subscribing to this box yourself, I will place the link in the description box below so that you can go ahead and sign up. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you want to continue watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and also click the little bell so that way you know and are notified of when I upload new videos. And I would be so ever appreciative if you did. And I will see you next time. Bye!